Hey friends, it's Miss Smith. I'm here to help you with week 6 of NTI Learning at Home. And we have spent so many weeks using our Wonders book. We've learned lots of vocabulary words. You've listened to me read. We've come together on our Zoom meetings and talked about these stories. You've read them on your own and found answers to questions. So we're going to take a little break from that and really practice some listening and writing skills so that you can practice presenting during our Zoom meeting. So this is going to be fun. We're going to get to do some research, which is really easy. I'll show you how. Okay? So this week we're going to focus on places that people live. Now, I have always lived in Kentucky. I've visited many places around the world, but those were only short trips or vacations. I didn't get to stay there for very long. But a lot of you have lived in other places before, maybe other countries or other states, so you know what it's like to be somewhere different for a really long time. And I thought that it would be really neat this week, since we've all been at home here in Kentucky for a very long time now, to see how other people live. So we're going to do a little research using the PebbleGo website that's on our landing page for Rosa Parks, and I'll show you how to get there. Alright, so if you were on Rosa Parks' website, you know that if you push students and go to student resources, this will take you to RPE's landing page. Now PebbleGo is right here. If you click on the PebbleGo link, you'll have to click on the one that goes to the top if you're on the iPad, and it will take you right there. And we're going to scroll down and click on Social Studies right under the Earth. And we are going to find the one that says People and the Environment. It looks like this. When you click on that, first you'll see Helping the Environment as the first picture, but then all of the other pictures say a place that you could live, like living by the beach, living in a desert, living in the city. You can listen to as many of these as you like, but I would like for you to choose just one that you really are interested in or that you really like and pay special attention to it, because I would like for you to just write a short paragraph about what you learned at that place. You might include things that you would see at this place. You can include the jobs that people have at this place or what the weather is like. So make sure that you tell us what place you chose and tell us some things that you learned. So PebbleGo is all nonfiction. It's all expository text. So the purpose for reading or listening to expository text is to learn new things. So I'd like for you to just write a very short paragraph with a few things that you think are important about this place that you learned. And at the bottom or on the back, you can draw a picture of what it would look like if we were at this place. So try to make sure your words and pictures match. So if you write about some animals that you might see at this place, try to include those in your picture. Or if you write about the weather, what the weather is like at this place, try to include that in your picture so that we can see. And when we have our Zoom meeting this week, you'll be able to share that with us. And it'll be great because you can ask your friends in your group questions about the place they chose. And we'll be able to compare and contrast, which means we'll see how these places are alike and how they're different. Now, I love PebbleGo. Now, if I chose living on an island, this is just an example, but I wanted you to see that the red words, if you don't know what that means, you can click on that and it will show you the vocabulary word. So you're also going to learn a lot of vocabulary as you are listening and reading these. So if I go back.
Weather on our islands.
And I push this word, I can listen to it.
Native. A person who originally lived in a certain place.
So these words can help you understand what you're reading. So make sure you use the vocabulary feature, and also at the bottom, if there is a little video camera, you can see a video that relates to the place that you chose. And there will be a little caption under the video to explain what you're watching. So use the vocabulary in the videos to help you understand more. And when you find one that you feel really good about, then you could write your short paragraph and draw your picture about that place. All right, so I can't wait to see what you guys choose and your great pictures and your great writing. And just come ready to show that at your Zoom meeting this week, and to be able to ask your friends questions so that we can talk about how your places are alike and how they're different. All right, so I hope that you all have a fun time with your research. If you need any help, just send me a dojo message or an email, and I'll be happy to help you or answer your questions however I can. Okay? All right, guys, I'm looking forward to seeing you this week, and happy travels. Bye-bye.